Hi everyone, today we'll discuss about most important topic in digital circuits or in STLD, that is binary complements. Binary complements. These are very important. There are two types of complements. One is a 1's complement, second is a 2's complement. First is 1's complement, second is a 2's complement. So 1's complement is nothing but all 1's can be converted into zeros and all zeros can be converted into 1's. All 1's can be written as zeros, zeros can be written as 1's. For example, 1 0 1 1 0, 1 0 1 1 0. Find the 1's complement of 1 0 1 1 0. Then 1 can be written as 0, 0 can be written as 1, and 1 can be written as 0, 1 can be written as 0, 0 can be written as 1. All 1's can be converted into zeros, zeros can be converted into 1. This is the 1's complement of the 1 0 1 1 0. Similarly, can perform one operation. Perform 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 1 0 using 1's complement method. Then here you can write, first you can verify number of bits. This is consisting of 4 equivalent 4 bits. This is consisting 4 bits. This is also consisting of 4 bits. Always you can verify that both should be equal number of digits. That is the first point. Similarly, you can write this one as 1 0 1 1 plus of minus 1 0 1 0. I am going to write this negative number like this. Here we are performing addition operation and we are representing negative number. So this is a negative number. What is the negative number? We have to know. That is why we can write like this. Then this is the negative number. For the negative number, we can find the complement. 1's complement of 1 0 1 0. This is the 1 0 1 0. Then 0 1 0 1. This is the 1's complement. Similarly, for this 1's complement, we can add 1 0 1 1. 1 0 1 1 can be added to 1's complement 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Then 0 1 0 1 plus 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1 again 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1 again 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1 sum 0 carry 1. So when here we have 4 digits, here also 4 digits, we got 5th digit, that is nothing but carry, or it is called end around carry. In 1's complement, carry should be added, or end around carry should be added. This is added to result. Here we have 1 0 1 0. This is the result. For this one you can add this carry, then we will get 0 plus 1 1 0 0 0. This is nothing but 1. The equivalent decimal number for 0001 is 1. We have to verify whether our answer is correct or not by converting our binary numbers into decimal. 1011 is nothing but 1011 is nothing but 8421 code. If you apply 8 plus 2 plus 1 11, 8 plus 2 plus 1 11. 1010 is a 10 11 minus 10 1. This is the answer. So our answer is correct. This is the way we have to do 1's complement for the binary numbers. Similarly, we can do same 1's complement when we subtract from larger number from smaller number. This is larger number minus smaller number. If we are doing reverse, smaller number minus larger number, the procedure is different. We will see that example also. Same example, perform 1 0 1 1 0 minus 1 1 0 0 1 using 1's complement. Perform 1 0 1 1 0 minus 1 1 0 0 1 using 1's complement. Again I am going to write, these are having equal number of digits, 1 2 3 4 5 bits. This is also 5 bits. So then you can write like this, both are equal number of bits. Okay, then 1 0 1 1 0 positive number plus of, I am going to write negative number like this, minus 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, then for the negative number we can find the complement. 1's complement of 1 1 0 0 1 is 0 0 1 1 0, 0 0 1 1 0, 0 0 1 1 0. 1's can be written as zeros, zeros can be written as 1's, and add 1 0 1 1 0. This is the result we have to add to this one. Then if we add these two, we will get 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 sum 1 carry 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, again 0 plus 1 1, 1 0 we got. If you see this 1 0, if you write 8421 code 16 8421 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 4, 28 we are getting. This is a invalid result. Why? Because if you see the answer, 10110 is a 22 and 11001 is a 25. 22 minus 25 is a minus 3, but here we are getting more than minus 3. So this is a wrong answer, invalid result. If you are subtracting larger number from smaller number, if you are subtracting larger number from smaller number, first find the complement for the negative number, add that to given number, then for the result again we can perform complement. So 11100 is 00011 and put negative sign. If you are subtracting larger number from smaller number, perform the complement again for the result and put negative sign. See, this 00011 is minus 3. So 22 minus 23 is 25 is minus 3. This is the final answer. Like this we have to do if you are subtracting from larger number from smaller number. Thank you.